Resetting an EZGO golf cart can be a helpful troubleshooting step when you encounter issues like unresponsiveness, electrical problems, or erratic behavior. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you reset your EZGO golf cart. Please like, subscribe, and ring the bell to get notified whenever we upload a video for you. Now, let's get started. Tools you'll need: a wrench, usually 10 millimeters or adjustable, a flathead screwdriver for some models, your owner's manual, optional but can be helpful. Step 1. Turn off the golf cart. Make sure your golf cart is powered off completely. Set the key switch to the off position, and if you have a tow or run switch, set it to the off or tow mode to disengage the drive system. Step 2. Locate the reset button or breaker. Many EZGO golf carts are equipped with a circuit breaker or reset button, usually located on the motor or near the controller. This is a safety feature designed to protect the electrical system from overheating or short-circuiting. Step 3. Check for a blown circuit breaker. If you find a reset button on the circuit breaker, often a small red or black button, push it to reset the breaker. You should hear or feel a click when it's reset. If the breaker is tripped, this may be the cause of the cart's failure to start or run. Step 4. Inspect the batteries. Check the voltage of the batteries. Use a multimeter to test the battery voltage to ensure that they are charged and not dead. If any battery shows significantly lower voltage than the others, it could be faulty and need replacement. Step 5. Check the tow or run switch. Some EZGO models have a tow run switch, which should be set to run for the cart to operate. If it's set to tow, which is used when the cart is being moved without power, switch it to run. Step 6. Inspect the fuses. If resetting the breaker doesn't work, check for blown fuses in the cart. Fuses can be found near the controller or under the dashboard. Replace any blown fuses with new ones of the correct amperage. Step 7. Check the motor and controller. If you've checked the breaker and the batteries, and everything seems fine, but the cart still isn't functioning, there could be an issue with the motor or controller. These are usually harder to reset or repair on your own, so you may need to call a technician or take the cart to a professional for inspection. Step 8. Test the cart. Once everything has been checked and reset, turn the key switch back to the on position, set the tow run switch to run, and press the accelerator pedal. Your golf cart should now power up. Additional troubleshooting. Speed controller reset. If your EZGO cart has a speed controller with a reset switch, follow the manufacturer's instructions for resetting. Loose wires or connections. Make sure all connections to the batteries, motor, and controller are secure and free of corrosion. Clean and tighten any loose connections. After resetting everything and ensuring all systems are functioning properly, take the golf cart for a short test drive to make sure it runs smoothly. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell so that you may not miss any videos.